Hi, this is Miss Ballinger, and this week we're going to be talking about comparing fractions. We have four vocabulary words this week. It is compare, denominator, numerator, unit fraction. Compare is to decide if number, amounts, or sizes are greater than, less than, or equal to each other. The denominator, the number below the line in a fraction that tells the number of equal parts in the whole. Numerator, the number above the line in a fraction that tells the number of equal parts that are being described. A unit fraction. This is a fraction with a numerator of 1. Other fractions are built from unit fractions. If we look at this and we notice that the denominator is the number on the bottom, that is the number that's in red. That is the 6. The numerator is the number that is on the top. These numerators are different. One is a 2 and one is a 3. Common denominator. A common denominator is one that is the same. So looking at the denominator, these two 6's are the same. Notice that the denominators are the same. Each of these is cut into 6 pieces. And each one of these units is 1/6. Our fraction today is 2/6 and 3/6. If you'll notice in your area model that I have divided these into 6 equal pieces, but I have shown you that the first one is the 2/6 and the second one is 3/6. If you'll look at this area model, you'll notice that 3/6 has more parts than the 2/6. So that makes 3/6 greater than 2/6 and 2/6 less than 3/6. You may find a fraction that does not have the same denominator, but it has the same numerator. Draw a model to determine which is greater. Our fractions are 4/6 and 4/8. I have chosen that 4/6 is greater than 4/8. And the reason in doing so, I've determined by creating an area model. The first one is 6 pieces. The second one is 8 pieces. So I have shaded that there are 4/8 and 4/6. I notice that whenever the 4/6 is divided, it becomes greater than 4/8. So if you look at it, you will be able to determine which is less than and which is greater than. Even though the denominator is bigger on one than on the other, doesn't mean that it is greater. You should always check it by drawing an area model. If you have any questions, please contact Miss Bibb, Mrs. Ballinger, Miss Parker. We are here to help with anything that you are in need of. Hope that you have a great week. Stay safe, and remember, you are amazing. You are important, you are special, you are unique, you are kind, you are precious, and you are loved.